Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to convert PDF to JPG in JavaScript using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Then, enter the JavaScript sample code. You can get the JavaScript sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 13, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 17, input the source PDF file name. Once you're done setting up the code, let's run the program. In your terminal, type in npm install request module for file upload. Then, type the node app.js to see the result. Once the program runs successfully, the result will be saved to page 1 and page 2 JPG. Let's check the folder to see the result. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.